Ever wondered if that amazing gift offer on Meesho is too good to be true? Let's dive in to investigate the authenticity of Meesho gifts and promotions so you can shop smart and stay safe. First, always be wary of unsolicited messages or pop-ups promising free gifts. Legitimate Meesho promotions are usually announced on their official app or website. Check the seller's rating and reviews. A reputable seller will typically have a high rating and positive feedback from other customers. If the seller is new or has very few reviews, proceed with caution. Cross-reference the promotion on Meesho's official social media pages. Genuine promotions are usually announced and verified on their official accounts. If you can't find any mention of the gift offer, it's likely a scam. Carefully read the terms and conditions. Pay close attention to any hidden fees, shipping charges, or requirements to share personal information. Scammers often use these tactics to collect data or trick you into paying unexpected costs. If you're still unsure, contact Meesho's customer support directly through the app. They can verify the legitimacy of the promotion and answer any questions you may have. Remember, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. By following these steps, you can navigate Meesho with caution and avoid potential scams, keeping your shopping experience safe and enjoyable.